Do you want to lose your belly fat fast? Are you tired of trying different diet plans and exercise routines without any success? Today, I'm going to share a simple meal prep hack that helps someone lose 20 pounds of fat in only 1 week. And the best part is you can do it at home with minimal effort. So if you're ready to finally achieve your weight loss goals, then keep watching. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a simple trick that will help you burn stubborn belly fat quickly. I'm Sean, and you're watching Nutrition and Fitness Edge, where we share fitness tips, nutrition hacks, and healthy lifestyle ideas. Before revealing the secret, let's discuss why belly fat is challenging to eliminate. It often stems from poor eating habits, high stress levels, and an inactive lifestyle. However, there are effective ways to tackle this issue. One such method is through a process called metabolic switching. By following a specific plan, you can trigger your body to switch from storing excess calories as fat to burning them for energy. This video will guide you on how to do it properly. So make sure to watch until the end. This may sound like a myth, but it's entirely possible to lose 20 pounds of fat in just 1 week. In fact, I've seen it happen before, and it's all thanks to a simple technique called metabolic switching. By following a few easy steps, anyone can achieve this incredible transformation. Let's take a closer look at how you can do it. Before starting any new diet or exercise program, it's essential to consult with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can help you determine a safe and effective weight loss goal based on your individual circumstances. Step 1. Start by cutting out all processed foods, including sugary drinks, snacks, cookies, and white bread. Replace these with whole nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that will keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing your body with the fuel it needs to function optimally. But remember, portion control is still important even with healthy foods. So be mindful of your intake to ensure you're not overeating. The second step involves reducing your calorie intake gradually. Instead of going on a crash diet, aim to reduce your daily intake by 200 to 500 calories. This can be achieved by being mindful of your portion sizes and making healthier choices. For example, opt for grilled chicken breasts instead of fried chicken and choose brown rice over white rice. Remember, it's crucial to maintain a calorie deficit to lose weight, but you don't want to go too low as it can negatively impact your metabolism. Now let's talk about exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week. You can break this down into 30-minute sessions, 5 days a week. Some examples of cardio include brisk walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming. Cardio helps burn calories and boost your metabolism, which is essential for weight loss. Additionally, incorporate strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups twice a week. Strength training helps build muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolism. It also helps improve body composition by reducing fat mass. Another important factor is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, leading to increased appetite and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest and recover. Adequate sleep also helps regulate hormones that control hunger and fullness, which can help you make better food choices. If you find this video helpful so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Now let's move on to the next point. Stress can also contribute to weight gain, particularly belly fat. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These practices can help relax your body and mind, reducing the likelihood of stress-induced overeating. While following these steps, pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop eating when you're comfortably full. This can help you avoid overeating and make better food choices. Listen to your body's signals and honor them to establish a healthy relationship with food. As you follow these steps, it's essential to stay consistent and patient. Losing weight takes time and effort, and it's essential to adopt a long-term approach. Don't get discouraged if you experience setbacks. Instead, learn from them and adjust your plan as needed. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a quick fix. So now you know what to eat, right? Let's talk about what you shouldn't eat. To accelerate your weight loss journey, it's vital to identify and avoid certain foods that can hinder your progress. One of the first culprits is sugar. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can lead to weight gain and increased belly fat. This includes both added sugars found in processed foods and beverages like soda and desserts, as well as natural sugars present in fruits and honey. While natural sugars are less harmful, it's still important to consume them in moderation. To curb your sugar cravings, try opting for healthier alternatives like fresh fruit instead of sugary snacks. Another food group to limit is refined carbohydrates. These are carbohydrates that have been stripped of their nutritional value and fiber, such as white rice, bread, and pasta. Refined carbohydrates can cause blood sugar spikes, leading to fat storage, particularly in the belly area. Whenever possible, choose whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, which provide more fiber and nutrients. Next, we come to unhealthy fats. These are fats that are high in saturated and trans fats, such as those found in fried foods, processed meats, and butter. Unhealthy fats can promote belly fat accumulation and increase inflammation in the body. Whenever you can, replace them with healthier options like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats contain essential nutrients and can help you feel full and satisfied. Finally, it's essential to limit your intake of processed foods. Processed foods are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, all of which can contribute to weight gain. These foods are often convenient and cost-effective, but they lack nutritional value and can lead to overeating. To avoid processed foods, read food labels carefully and choose fresh, unprocessed alternatives whenever possible. By cutting out processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy snacks, you'll be taking a significant step towards reducing your calorie intake and promoting fat loss. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Here's a quick tip from Shan. One way to speed up your weight loss process is by incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. One popular method is the 16-by-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and limit your daily food intake to an 8-hour window. This approach can help reduce calorie intake and promote fat burning. During the fasting period, your body uses stored fat for energy, leading to fat loss over time. Intermittent fasting also triggers a metabolic switch, shifting your body from a state of storing fat to one of burning fat. Additionally, it can help regulate hormone levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your weight loss plan can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals faster. However, it's essential to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. So now you know what to eat and what not to eat. Will you try these tips? Let me know in the comments below. For more fitness and nutrition content, don't forget to subscribe to Nutrition and Fitness Edge. Stay fit and motivated. Remember, fitness is not difficult. It just needs consistency. See you in the next video.